Hi guys, going to give the, what is it called? Well, it's Toyota HiLux, isn't it? The Nikko. Give it a little run across the grass, see whether it can actually cope with driving over grass. Got the Quilima mini camera on the back, just to see if we can get some shots there. See what we can do. The grass is wet, so I've got me waterproof Crocs on in case I have to go and recover it. I think I'm going to have to walk after it anyway because I don't think we've got much range. Well, the answer is no, it can't cope with long grass. But I think that's unfair because the motors are turning okay, but it just hasn't got the grip. In fact, I've noticed that the rims are turning inside the tyres because they're such a loose fit. I might see if I can get a shot of that with the big camera. The rim is turning inside the tyre. So probably not a fair test. Oh, that's a bit disappointing, really. Disappointing. It's not a fail as such, bearing in mind how old it is, but it's certainly struggling. Tyres aren't... Oh. Let's turn that off. The tyres are turning within the... the tyres are turning on the rims are spinning inside the tyres, so we're not getting the power to the road. And that one's almost triangular. Oh, that's a shame. It would have been nice if it did more. But I don't see any point in upgrading it to hobby grade radio control either, because we'd need to get new wheels for it, new wheels and tyres. So I might just store it away as a collector's item. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.